Take a breath. Right now, there's nothing to fix. You just need space. Find a still, grounded position, sitting or standing. Let your eyes remain gently open. Soften your jaw, drop your shoulders, whatever's burning inside. Frustration, tension, heat. We're going to release it with the sound "shoo." As you inhale, keep your eyes open and relaxed. As you exhale, say the sound "shoo" and let your eyes glare, as if staring straight into the fire and blowing it out. Let's begin. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Shoo. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Shoo. Now, return to a gentle, natural breath. Let your eyes soften. Feel the shift inside. Don't carry the fire. Don't block your flow. Let the liver breathe again. Let the clarity return. And remember, feed anger, you fight. Feel calm, you win.